Here is a very simple question. The question reads, the cost of a book is 100 naira, but each additional book costs 70 naira. It means if you can buy more than one, there is going to be a discount, but the first book will still remain 100 naira. So for instance, if you buy two books, it is going to cost you 170, right? If you buy three, the first one remain 100, but the two other books cost what? 140. That is 240 altogether. But this question says we should find the cost of X books. All right. Since X books start from 1, so you have to exclude that one which costs 100. So the total cost, let me just use C for that. Very simple question. Total cost will be the cost of the first book, which is 100 naira, then plus the rest of the books will cost 70 naira each. So you have to remove that one which costs 100 from the total. Then the rest should be multiplied by 70, right? So this is the total cost. Let's simplify. This is 100 plus 100x minus 70, right? That is 70 times x is, oh, what's this, sorry? 70 times x is 70x. 70 times negative 1 is negative 70. So this is how it should be. So you see we have like terms here. Together you have 30. So this is 70x plus 30. This is the cost of what? X books. So for instance, if X is 100 books, it is going to be 100 times 70, which is 7,000, plus 30, which is 7,030 naira. So this is just an expression for the total cost of X books.